Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows might be installed in an unsupported directory, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The thing is that a lot of other channels and websites are suggesting a fix where the fix itself is that you have to create a new directory. Never ever try doing that. It will create an absolute mess in your system. You are not the one who is supposed to create a directory. That is the job of the operating system. Let the operating system or let Windows do it by itself. So what can you do in that case? Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab, scroll down, select troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. But if that doesn't happen, then here's what you can do. Reset Windows Update components. Now I'll show you how it's done and later what it does exactly. So we have a script for you. Copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. This will stop the services associated with Windows updates. Now, the first thing that it runs is the solution. It will delete the folder, the profile folder for Windows updates, and that is what they're talking about. The directory will have to be rebuilt. That will resolve the problem. Then it will delete the contents of software distribution, cat root folders, re-register DLLs, reset WinSock, and finally restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.